good. Here is the latest fashion in, I'm guessing, disinfection for COVID. Some clorox cannon. This is some weird shit. What the hell? It smells up to here and I'm 4 floors up. This is crazy. And it's so noisy. I'm dying from diesel fumes. Look at them. So this is my compound in Shanghai. We've been in lockdown for almost 4 days now. And this is the guard evening briefing. Except the guards are now in charge of keeping us in rather than keeping strangers in. But they're also in charge of like delivering food to 2 of the towers. What is it?
Helicopter. Nobody.